If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. If you've been looking for the absolute best gem online, this get ready amaze because this is an absolute lifesaver. Everyone is talking about it lately because it feels incredibly high quality. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. Its main benefit is that it solves an annoying problem, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not low-key want to miss out on this deal before it's completely gone. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. If you've been looking